topwater action here. All right. 6:30 in the afternoon. Pike season's open, bass ain't open yet. And I snuck away for an evening fish here at Mountsberg Lake. I threw one of the yaks in the back of the vehicle, and I'm only about 15 minutes from this lake. I'm here and in the water. I'm gonna go with the chatterbait, look for some small pike. It's a beautiful day. Love this chatterbait, very friendly bait. You can go deep with it, shallow, very friendly to use. And the pike like it. Gonna use my Lew's BB1 751 gear ratio on a heavy fast action carrot stick. Pretty sure I just got this stick not too long ago. Very impressed with it, the carrot stick. But yeah, let's hope I get some action here, catch some fish, get some video of the fish. Here's to take a quick look at the lake. It's a good sized little pond. Beautiful afternoon. I couldn't resist. I had to get out here. I wanted to get out on a smaller, shallow lake. I got a little perch. What was that, little? Oh, I think it was a little bass. A little bass followed that in. Those little buggers ripped my tails off. These tails are expensive. When a little guy comes along and just pulls it off. See that little bugger? I think he ripped the tail right off the back end of me. See, if I go too slow, the chatterbait drops too much and snags up in the weeds. But I don't want to pull it too fast. So I'm trying to get that speed just in between. Chatterbait's pretty good in weeds too. Like it'll work its way through them nice. It's a user-friendly lure for lakes like this, and it's a very, very productive lure. Very much like a spinning bait. I think I'll try some top water in about an hour from now. This last one. All right, we got one on here. I got one, little pike, I think. There we go, little guy. That's what you call a snot rocket. So I'm about an hour into the fishing here. Lots of weeds, not much action, sun's out. I think I'm gonna have to wait at least an hour before they start biting a bit. I'm just still going with the chatterbait. Tried top water for a bit, and there's nothing. It's grabbing too many weeds, getting frustrated. So I went back to the chatterbait. Caught that little one there you seen. And yeah, I think I'm going to work my way over to the shore this way. I'll fish along there, just cast into it, take my time. Like I say, the chatterbait's a good one to use. It's friendly. And it's tough because there's big patches of weeds, and then there's a lot of weeds in here, so you got to reel in fairly quick to keep it from dropping down into the weeds. and it keeps it up a little high. So it's a tricky lake. I think I nailed it, hit it right beside the boat. Another little guy. They're hitting hard. I'd hate to see what a big one would do in this lake. He hit like within 3 feet of the kayak. If I get an opening of the weeds and then I can actually slow the lure down, it seems to be much more effective. Another little guy. Plenty of them in here. Little hammer handle. Thick for a little guy. There you go. Oh, didn't get it. You seen that though? Probably thing was covered in so many weeds, probably couldn't even get to his teeth. So many weeds on that, couldn't even get it in his mouth probably. But the good thing is we know they'll come up to the surface. We might have some fun here for the next half hour or so. There. Come on, where are you? Get out of those weeds. What the heck? Look at the size of that. That's a big one. Oh, that one was nicer. That one had some size. Okay, I'm getting excited now. that was a little pike. You see it do a 360 in the air? That's probably what a lot of these are hitting it, little pike. Ah, well, they're fun. That guy had to have been about 11 inches, that's it. So it's good. It's good I just got out for the afternoon. I was out here maybe 2 hours. Having a bit of fun. Always fun when you get out in the kayak. Catch a few fish, especially when they're hitting the surface. I'm still waiting for bass season to open. I'm out here playing with some little pike. Alright, well, I'm glad I came out. That was kind of fun. I'll gonna head back in, load up, and get home. Make a quick little video out of this. The water, I have to show you this. Look at that, it's like a sheet of glass. Yeah, I'm gonna paddle back in. Shouldn't take too long. And then load up. It's an afternoon at Mountsberg. Alright, thanks for watching.